Hello, welcome back to Hitch'd in Haulin. Today is the day we're going to take our standard pin box off and we're putting on our brand new Gen-Y Executive Gooseball. Stay tuned for the install. Well, here we go with the install of our Gen-Y Executive Gooseneck Hitch. We have a 2019 Cougar 315 RLS, which came with the standard Lippard 1621 pin box. And I got a friend to help me here, Larry being on the right, me being on the left. We're going to be taking this hitch off. Now, this particular hitch only came with 4 bolts on one side and 4 bolts on the other for a total of 8. Once we get this off and we get our Gen-Y up there, we'll have 6 bolts on one side and 6 bolts on the other for a total of 12. So we'll have an extra 4 bolts holding the Gen-Y on. Now, by all means, guys, we are not professionals. We have no idea what we're doing. We have never done this before. And if we can do this, you can do this. And guys, this job isn't that hard. As a matter of fact, it's a one-handed job. You can do it while drinking your favorite beverage. Okay, I got it.
That's so easy, we should get our money back. Here, let me put it back in there and I'll wiggle.
Got it.
Alright.
I like your wiggle. I like your wiggling.
Now, this looks like you just gotta lower it to get this hole.
So we gotta lower this jack.
Right here, you just take this right to the left and this. Yeah, use that wrench. She's a little harder. It ain't gonna go down anyway. The jack is a set. Probably gonna have to raise, yeah, you have to raise your trailer to lower this.
Okay.
Yeah, raise your trailer.
Oh, good. I can put another bolt in for another one.
In here too.
Yep.
All right, lower your gear.
Lower it this time.
Raise it. Yeah, you gotta raise it. Yeah.
Huh?
A little more. There you go. You gotta ask yourself, is that what you want?
Yeah, I gotta get it all the way down. All right, she's all the way down.
Is that what you want? Is that what you had before?
Thought I had a little
Looks a
bit.
little more over that side.
Yeah, I'm crooked, that's why.
It ain't bad.
No. It's 5 inches. 5 inches on this side. More on this side. Yeah, that's 6.
Maybe 5.5. That was right.
This is 6.5.
So I'd get you 6.
Yeah.
All right, we just need to take the weight off of it again. You can see where you're at. Well, you're all done, right?
Huh?
You can unhook and go away. We got,
This I can unhook and go away.
now we got to torque these. You have to manually pull something.
Yeah, I gotta get a, it's that.
It's your cable, right? Oh, just like that?
Ouch!
Huh?
No. No. You grab this.
What's grabbing it?
You grab this.
Oh, give it a jerk?
Like
Oh,
that.
that's it?
Yep.
Oh, well, hell, that's lovely. Here's your socket. Okay, start with the bottom.
I'm gonna start with 110 pounds. Well guys, that pretty much wraps up the install of our Gen-Y Gooseneck Hitch on our 2019 Cougar 315 RLS. We haven't taken it out yet, but I'm sure it's going to be just fine. But one thing I did want to show you guys is the advantage that you have on this particular hitch. Look at the room that I have in the back now. You know, I had the Anderson Gen 3 Ultimate fifth wheel hitch back here, and I really liked it. It was good. Had no issues with it at all. Went all the way to Florida and back with it, no problems at all. It's light. It's easy to take in and out, but once you take it out, you have to
find a place to put it. And with this gooseneck, you don't have anything to take out of your truck except for that B&W Turnoverball. And of course, this is the 4-inch extension, I think it is. So what I do is I just take this one out, put it underneath my back seat, and put the original one back in there, and I got my whole bed back. So that's going to be a huge advantage anytime you're not hooked up to your camper, or you're going someplace, whatever the case may be, and you need that room in your bed, you're going to have it. So I appreciate you guys watching, and please like, subscribe, and make a comment on down below. If you have one of these hitches, or if you're even thinking about getting one of these hitches, the install is very easy, guys. Just call Gen-Y. They're going to want to know which model pin box you currently have on your rig. So if you don't know that, then somewhere on that pin box there's going to be a number, and you're going to call Lippard LCI, and they'll tell you exactly which pin box you have. Once you have that, you can call Gen-Y, tell them which pin box you have, and they'll send you the correct one the first time. So guys, again, thanks for watching, and stay hitched and keep hauling.